The American Express Centurion card, more commonly known as the Black Card, is one of the most exclusive and coveted credit cards in the world. It's not just a payment method, it's a status symbol, a statement of wealth and exclusivity. The card is invitation only, and its exact eligibility criteria remain a closely guarded secret. However, it's generally understood that it's offered to the wealthiest of American Express's customers. This article delves into the history, benefits, and the mystique surrounding this ultra-exclusive card. The Black Card, History and Mystique. The Black Card was launched in 1999, and its creation was actually inspired by a myth. Rumors circulated about a secret, ultra-exclusive black card for the world's elite. American Express capitalized on this myth, turning it into a reality with the Centurion card. The card was initially available only to selected holders of the Platinum Card, American Express's then top-tier card. The card's exclusivity and the mysteries surrounding it have contributed to its allure. It's made of anodized titanium, adding to its unique appeal. The cardholder's name and the Centurion logo are subtly etched on the card, enhancing its sleek, minimalist design. The card's design itself has become a part of its mystique, with its distinctive black color and weighty feel adding to its allure. The Centurion card is not just about the physical card, though. It's about the service and exclusivity that come with it. The card is invitation only, and American Express has never publicly stated the criteria for an invitation. However, it's generally believed that one must be a high-spending American Express cardholder to be considered. Some reports suggest that potential cardholders must have charged at least $250,000 on an American Express Platinum card in the previous year to qualify. Benefits and perks. The Centurion card offers a range of benefits and perks that justify its high annual fee. These include personal concierge service. Cardholders have access to a dedicated concierge service that can assist with travel arrangements, dining reservations, and even personal shopping. This service is available 24/7, providing assistance and support whenever it's needed. Whether you need to secure a last-minute reservation at a top restaurant or arrange a special gift, the concierge service can make it happen. Travel benefits. These include complimentary upgrades at hotels and airlines, access to airport lounges, and a personal travel counselor. The card also offers a global luggage delivery service, which allows cardholders to travel without luggage by having it picked up from their home and delivered to their destination. Shopping perks. The card offers purchase protection, return protection, and extended warranty on eligible purchases. It also provides access to exclusive shopping events and experiences, as well as benefits at select retailers. Exclusive access. Cardholders get exclusive access to special events, such as private concerts, major sporting events, and art shows. This can include VIP access and preferred seating, adding to the unique experiences that the card offers. Rewards program. The Centurion card has a lucrative rewards program. Cardholders earn membership rewards points on all eligible purchases, which can be redeemed for travel, shopping, and more. The card also offers bonus points on certain purchases, and there are no limits on the number of points that can be earned. The cost of exclusivity. The exclusivity of the Centurion card comes at a high price. There's a one-time initiation fee, reportedly around $10,000, and an annual fee of around $5,000. However, for those who can afford it, the benefits and the status that comes with the card can make it worth the cost. The card's high fees are part of what makes it so exclusive. The high cost ensures that only a select few can afford it, adding to its status as a symbol of wealth and success. However, for those who can afford the fees, the card offers a range of benefits and experiences that can more than make up for the cost. The American Express Centurion card is more than just a credit card, it's a symbol of status and wealth. Its exclusivity, combined with its range of benefits and perks, make it one of the most coveted cards in the world. While it's not accessible to everyone, for those who can afford it, it offers a unique blend of luxury, convenience, and prestige. The Centurion card is not just about the physical card or the benefits it offers, it's about the lifestyle and status that come with it. It's a statement of success and exclusivity, a symbol of the elite. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.